Wow! What is this, Bibe? Di nyo alam. Parang si Daddy, No? This is Daddy's name. What is your Daddy's name?
Dennis Barbaros.
Very good. Dahil Father's Day, sa 15, gawa tayo ng activity for Daddy,
Yes.
Can you write Daddy's name?
Yes.
Okay, trace mo nga yung Daddy's name.
Okay.
What's your Daddy's name again?
Dennis Barbaros.
Very good. Trace mo nga siya. Gamit ka ng color, trace mo yung name ni Daddy para Father's Day. This is for you, Daddy. Kam, sabihin mo, para sa'yo to, Daddy. Hindi niya alam mag-Tagalog.
Daddy.
This is for you, Daddy.
For you, Daddy.
Ang bait si Daddy mo, no? Love mo si Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah, you love so much Daddy, no? Mas love mo pa siya kaysa kay Mommy. Walang color yung red. Hanap ka ng iba. This one na red, You want red?
Yes.
Here.
Wait.
Tapon na natin ito. Wala nang color yan. Here. Very good.
Work.
Let's work. What letter is that?
D.
Very good. Careful, tingnan mo yung ginawa mo, Huwag kang excited. Okay po?
Okay.
Enjoy mo lang. Nagra-write siya ng pangalan ni Daddy niya. Very good, Next, what letter?
Next. N.
Write mo na.
Okay.
Trace mo siya. Daddy, I'm writing your name.
Daddy, I write your name.
Love you.
I love you.
Wrong yung panang sulat mo ng N, Next, what letter?
This is my wife.
This one, what letter is this?
L.
I.
I.
Small L. What letter is that? Next.
S.
Very good.
A bigger S.
Yes. This one. Very good. This one, can you draw Daddy? Draw mo nga si Daddy. Use mo yung pencil. Draw ka nga ng Daddy. Draw mo nga si Daddy. Dito, dito. Here.
Next.
Wow. Drawing niya si Daddy,
Where my bicycle is eyes.
Yes, may eyes si Daddy. Then, eyes, naging alien na si Daddy.
It's good.
Yeah, very good. Then, may dress si Daddy? Go.
Touch free face. And make tree.
You can go. You can do it.
These are feathers.
What's that? Wow!
It's a picture of Daddy.
Where's hair?
Okay.
Yeah, that is Daddy. Very good.
I love Daddy.
Yes.
It's Daddy.
Who is this?
Daddy.
Daddy. Lagay natin dito na. That is my Daddy. Kama na. Try natin, Does Daddy have a motorcycle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Anong name ng motor ni Daddy?
Daddy's Barbaros.
No, name ng motor niya? It's itim. Check mo nga siya. I-check mo, Daddy. Mayroon daw motor si Daddy. Very good. Kilala niya talaga si Daddy, Let's see nga kung kilala mo pala si Daddy. Yung pala ito. Malalaman ko kung kilala mo talaga si Daddy mo, Okay. Check mo siya, dali. Lagyan mo siya ng, I want to, ganyan mo siya, Ganyan. Tapos, pag-check, lagyan mo ganyan. Use any color. Meron daw.
This one.
Opo.
Pink. Black.
May motor si Daddy? Does Daddy have a motor? Yes. Very good. Si Daddy, may lipstick ba si Daddy?
No.
Does Daddy have a lipstick? Wear a lipstick?
No.
No. Sino nag-wear ng lipstick?
No.
Sino may lipstick? Mommy, very good. Oh, wrong mo siya. Wrong.
Okay.
Oh, wrong. No. Daddy has no lipstick. Have lipstick.
No, Dad.
Ah. Si Daddy, meron ba siyang cap?
Yeah.
Mayroon siya? Does Daddy wear a cap?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Kilala niyo talaga si Daddy niya. Si Daddy ba may dress? Princess?
No.
Is Daddy a princess?
No.
Sino princess?
No.
Who's wearing dress?
Me.
Yes! Very good. Oh, wrong muna. Wrong. No, Daddy is not wearing a dress. Si Baby Nana daw. Si Baby Diana. Oh, a helmet. Does Daddy wear a helmet?
Yeah.
Yes? May helmet si Daddy?
Yes.
Very good. Alam niya talaga. Go. I-check mo na siya. No, go. Ganyan mo siya. Very good. Si Daddy ba may cellphone? Does Daddy have a cellphone? Yes or no? You answer yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Kilala niyo talaga si Daddy niya. Si Daddy ba nagdi-drink siya ng coffee? Yes or no? Coffee. Daddy, drink coffee?
No. Yes.
Sino nagdi-drink ng coffee? Nagdi-drink din si Daddy. Hindi mo lang nakikita kasi maaga siyang umaalis. Tulog ka pa. Milk.
I love milk.
Si Daddy.
My daddy loves coffee.
Coffee ang drink. Uy, di check mo tong coffee. Lagay mo yung coffee doon. Tapos yung milk kay Baby Nana. Oh, close mo na yung ganun. Hindi nag-aano si Daddy, di ba? Close mo na siya. No, that's not for Daddy. Very good. Finish na. Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng Daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Very good. Love mo si Daddy?
Yes.
I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Say bye-bye to your followers na.
Bye-bye.